of the video. And oh, wait a minute. Basically, we just got to St. Croix. It's like, what time is it? It's 5:45, and we're about to go to the place that we're gonna stay, which is not our grandma's house. It's actually our friend's house. It's close there. It's close to there though. We're probably not gonna do anything today, but tomorrow we're going to the beach. So it's the next day. It's the next day. So it's the next day, and we're about to go to the beach. The beach we're going to is like 5 minutes away from where we're staying. And yeah, it's Buccaneer. Corriendo. And when we get there, that's when we're gonna send the drone up to see like
the whole entire St. Croix.
No, not this whole, not yet. Oh, actually, just gonna see like the beach.
I broke my bracket.
Jimmy, shit. Basically, yeah, I'm about to go, and it's super hot in this car. But we're probably gonna eat there. I'm gonna get some pina coladas because gang. And yeah, then I'm gonna send the drone up, and we're gonna see the beach and like where we are. And yeah, see you guys.
We are at, oh, they took a camera. We're about to eat.
I'm gonna get my pina colada.
Me too. And was
the one at La Parilla does not get it right.
La Parilla.
Oh yeah, La Parilla.
Anyway,
I feel like I just offended so many people.
Jerk chicken wings. This will be good.
I'm gonna get American food.
And don't mind my cap. It's I was swimming and I was working out like this.
Okay, but I'm just gonna get like chicken fingers or something. And my pina colada. And I'll see you guys in the meeting. Oh, you're Sprite. That was loud. We got our pina coladas. Am I saying that wrong? Pina or pina? Pina colada. Well, we got our pina colada. Got the food. I ate it already. It was okay. The fries were good. She got wings, so she didn't eat our fries, but we're saving them. So, and they're about to play soccer, so I'll record that. I'm not playing because I sprained my ankle, like I said. I already know I'm not gonna play. I'm not playing. That's final. Look at the background.
No, so you might pass a little bit though.
I'm not. He really wants me to play, but I really can't play because I just heard it in this inside of the restaurant also. I'm about to record them playing basketball. Jimmy's kind of. Come on, Jimmy. Show us those handles.
I have 2 and 0. Back 3.
Okay, so it's the next day. Probably not gonna do that much today. We're just gonna go to, my parents call it like Sign Hill or something, I don't know. But it's basically where my parents grew up, where my mom grew up, and we're gonna go see the land and all the land that they own, I guess. And I'm probably gonna send the drone up and view the land. So yeah. Okay, we just got here and now we're about to go right here. The roof of, what is this? whatever. But the view is amazing. I'm about to send the drone up.
You are?
Yes, I am.
You don't just lose your drone in those bushes. You're gonna have to look for it later.
I will, and I'm not gonna lose it. Because I'm a god. I'm an expert. I'll just put it.